In this video, I'll share with you 8 stocks that I bought for August 2024. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. Starting from March of this year, I'm investing $2,000 each month into stocks. $1,000 gets invested into my undervalued stock portfolio, and another $1,000 gets invested into my dividend stock portfolio. For August, I invested in 4 undervalued stocks and 4 dividend stocks, and I wanted to share my investments with you. Without any further ado, let's start with my undervalued stocks first and go over them one by one. Undervalued stock number 1, Chipotle. Chipotle Mexican Grill is a fast casual restaurant chain specializing in burritos and tacos. At the time of this video, Chipotle is valued at $68 billion. I bought 6 shares of Chipotle stock at $49.85 per share, for a total investment of $299.10. You probably know by now that I love to invest in companies that I personally use myself. If I'm a customer of a certain company, that makes me more confident about investing in it as well. Chipotle is one of my favorite fast food chains, and I know that millions of other people also love their food. This strong customer loyalty convinces me that the company will perform well in the future. The company's annual revenues have also been strong and consistently growing year over year throughout its history. Recently, Chipotle had a stock split where one stock got split into 50 separate individual stocks. Before the split, Chipotle stock was trading at about $3,000 per share, and now after the split, it's about $50 to $60. These stock splits make it more affordable for investors to own full shares of the company's stock, which could raise the price of the stock as more people invest. Undervalued stock number 2, Disney. Disney is a renowned multinational entertainment and media conglomerate known for its iconic animated and live action films, theme parks, television networks, and merchandise. At the time of this video, Disney is valued at $164 billion. I bought 3 shares of Disney stock at $89.82 per share for a total investment of $269.46. I've owned Disney stocks in the past and decided to buy more shares as the price went down. As of today, I own 8 shares of the Disney stock at an average cost of $98.96 per share. Disney has been facing several different issues in recent years. These include declining foot traffic at its theme parks, fewer Disney Plus subscribers, some movies that lost money, and an uncertainty about the direction of many of its portfolio companies. But I think that these declines provide a great opportunity for investors to invest in Disney stock at one of its lowest prices within the last 10 years. The company's theme parks are still one of the dream destinations that children and families save a lot of money to be able to visit at least once in their lifetime. ESPN, a sports channel that's owned by Disney, continues to be one of the top destinations for sports fans to watch their favorite players and teams, and for the sports analysis. Lastly, all the different intellectual property like trademarks that Disney owns continue making billions of dollars for the company each year. This money will continue funding Disney's new exciting business ventures, helping the company prosper. Undervalued stock number 3, Nvidia. Nvidia is an American multinational technology company known for its graphics processing units or GPUs and AI technologies. At the time of this video, Nvidia is valued at $2.8 trillion. I bought 3 shares of the Nvidia stock at $107.07 per share, for a total investment of $321.21. I've owned Nvidia stocks in the past and decided to buy more as the price went down. As of today, I have a total of 5 shares of the Nvidia stock at an average cost of $114.11 per share. Nvidia has been the most popular and talked about company of this year so far. I recently featured Nvidia in one of my videos about top 8 AI stocks to buy in 2024. Since I've done my research and considered the future potential of the company in that video, I decided to follow my own advice and invest strongly in Nvidia. I am convinced that AI is going to be our future, and Nvidia will continue being at the forefront of the industry, which will result in even higher growth for the company. Undervalued stock number 4, Shopify. Shopify is a Canadian e-commerce company that provides a platform that allows millions of businesses to create online stores and retail point-of-sale systems. At the time of this video, Shopify is valued at $77 billion. I bought 2 shares of the Shopify stock at $58.77 per share for a total investment of $117.54. I've talked about Shopify in my previous videos, and it's not my first time investing in the company. As of today, I have a total of 14 shares of the Shopify stock at an average cost of $62.29 per share. So why am I continuing to invest in Shopify? Shopify is dominating its competitors with their tools and services of opening online stores. There's no company as good as Shopify there, which almost results in a sort of monopoly for the company. As more and more businesses are moving online each year and choose to work with Shopify, Shopify gets a consistent revenue increase as they sell more and more subscriptions. This level of market dominance in the growing industry is what makes me want to invest in Shopify, despite not so favorable recent guidances from the company. Now let's go over my dividend stocks one by one. Dividend stock number 1, BMW. BMW is a renowned German car manufacturer known for its luxury vehicles and motorcycles. At the time of this video, BMW is valued at 56 billion euros. I bought 10 shares of BMW stock at $31.92 per share for a total investment of $319.20. BMW has a dividend yield of 6.74%, which means that the company will pay me $6.74 each year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. If you've seen enough of my investment videos, you probably know by now that I love to invest in companies that I personally use myself. Even though BMW is a German company and there are some complications with buying their shares in the US due to ADR, I still chose to invest in it. I personally drive a 2023 BMW SUV and I'm really enjoying that experience. I know that there are millions of other people that love their BMW cars and that the brand has a strong customer loyalty. So in my mind, BMW is quite a safe company to invest in, it will pay me healthy dividends, and it also allows me to diversify my investments into the European market. Dividend stock number 2, Mondelez International. Mondelez International is a leading global snack company known for brands like Oreo, Nabisco, and Philadelphia cream cheese. At the time of this video, Mondelez is valued at $89 billion. I bought 3 shares of the Mondelez stock at $66.55 per share for a total investment of $199.65. Mondelez has a dividend yield of 2.56%, which means that the company will pay me $2.56 per year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. Year to date, the stock price of Mondelez is down by about 10%. The annual revenues of Mondelez have been rising consistently over the past 5 years, surpassing $36 billion in 2023. What I like about Mondelez as a company is the large portfolio of successful brands that the company owns and operates. It's always better and safer to invest in companies that don't just rely on the success of a single product or brand. Safe and recession-proof companies is exactly what I'm going for when building my dividend stock portfolio, so adding Mondelez was a no-brainer. I also checked the company's fundamentals, including key accounting and financial ratios, and didn't see any red flags with the company. Dividend stock number 3, UPS. UPS is a global logistics and package delivery company known for its comprehensive supply chain solutions and extensive transportation network. At the time of this video, UPS is valued at $110 billion. I bought 2 shares of the UPS stock for $129.13 per share for a total investment of $258.26. So as of today, I own 8 shares of the UPS stock in total at an average price of $136 per share. UPS has a dividend yield of 5.06%, which means that the company will pay me $5.06 per year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. The highest dividend payments are usually not coming from the most exciting companies, but high dividend paying companies are usually more stable and safe. And UPS is actually a perfect example for this definition. I've been investing in UPS mostly because of its stability and high dividend payments. And the stock has been performing well until recently when it started to go down. So I'm seeing opportunities to buy even more shares of the UPS stock now in order to lower my average cost per share. I've also reviewed the company's financial metrics and ratios, which made me comfortable to continue investing in their stock. Dividend stock number 4, Volkswagen. Volkswagen is a German car manufacturer known for producing a wide range of vehicles from luxury cars to affordable models. At the time of this video, Volkswagen is valued at 58 billion euros. I bought 20 shares of Volkswagen stock at $11.96 per share for a total investment of $239.20. Volkswagen has a dividend yield of 5.35%, which means that the company will pay me $5.35 per year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. I invested in Volkswagen for the same reasons that I invested in BMW. One of my family members drives an Audi, which is a car brand owned by Volkswagen. Volkswagen also owns other popular car brands including Porsche, Lamborghini, and Bentley. And investing in Volkswagen, similar to BMW, is another way for me to diversify my investments into the European market and receive healthy dividends from a safe company. Overall, for my August 2024 stock picks, I ended up investing $2,023.62 across 8 different companies. 4 companies are a part of my undervalued stock portfolio, and another 4 companies are a part of my dividend stock portfolio. Each month, I also give you an update on how my stocks are performing so far, so make sure to check out those videos as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.